From content creation to analysis and reporting, choosing the right content management system, or CMS, is crucial to the growth of your business. Made for marketers and developers, HubSpot CMS Hub is designed to grow with you and has everything you need to build a data-driven digital experience that your customers will love. It's filled with tools that empower teams of any size to create seamless websites focused on personalization. Marketers can easily create content, optimize their site for conversions, and gain insight into their performance all in one place. And now with integrated website themes made for CMS Hub, you'll supercharge the design of your site to fit your industry and brand. From medical and finance to magazine, blog, and portfolio themes, our comprehensive suite of CMS Hub-ready designs is here to help you start converting. And today, we're looking at some of the best in this list of the 10 best HubSpot CMS Hub themes. Number 10. Soars by IMI Themes is a fully functional HubSpot CMS Hub theme designed and developed for architecture and interior design websites. It's a fully responsive theme, adapting to all screens from smartphones to desktops. It features Twitter Bootstrap elements, grid and list views, a selection of web-ready fonts, and multiple sliders. With SEO optimization, Google Maps integration, and touch and swipe support, this Retina-ready design will function effortlessly on any device. And with pre-built templates for home, about, pricing, and blog pages, all you need to do is insert your content. From designer brands to corporations, create a website that's visually stunning with this one. Number 9. Create bright and bold websites with this Bombi theme by TV The Themes. Multi-purpose, clean, and creative, this fully responsive HubSpot CMS Hub theme is designed with agencies and startups in mind. Kitted out with layouts for blog pages, services, and landing pages, its design style is colorful and eye-popping. There are multiple versions of the home screen, including one centered around a hero video. The About and Services pages come in several options to best fit your brand and preferred page structure, and there are 27 modules to add to pages, from easy-to-use banners, buttons and links, timelines, and testimonial sliders. Draw a line in the sand between you and your competitors with this bold theme today. Number 8. Keep it clean and functional with Poppy by BK Ninja. Designed for bloggers, this minimalistic theme strips things back to only the essentials, but still has everything you need to run a website. From home and landing pages to email unsubscribe templates, create a comprehensive home for your written work with this theme. Using the simple Roboto font and a white canvas, watch how this design creates space and draws the eye to your images and headlines without overwhelming them. With smart homepage layouts and clean article lockups, focus on the content rather than the bells and whistles. Keep things restrained and elegant with this one. Number 7. Mint is a multi-purpose, clean, creative, and fully responsive CMS Hub theme dedicated to startups, agencies, and companies working in the tech and creative industries. It comes with layouts for blog pages, services, landing pages, and more. With a fully responsive design, it looks good on any device, and with modules for blog listings, customizable buttons, clients, testimonials, project portfolios, and video work, it provides a suite of ways to showcase your brand. With a restrained color palette and mint accent color, the vividness of your creative assets and work stand out. And with smart, clean layouts, the eye is drawn to the right places across the site. From system pages to portfolio items, this fresh, professional theme will serve your business well online. Number 6. Neono by Plus Theme is a medical website theme designed to promote healthcare services. Make current and potential clients take notice of the quality and professionalism of your practice, be it a hospital, clinic, or other medical service provider. With professional-looking designs that still push the bar, turn finding a medical professional, booking appointments, and more into an engaging experience. With 10 customizable page templates to choose from, as well as 21 different modules, create functional and aesthetically pleasing websites. Use page templates for home, about us, services, and contact. Create appointment forms, FAQ sections, video sections, testimonials, and doctors lists. Use the already clean and modern color schemes or customize your own. And watch this brilliant theme tie your content together in a way that's clean and easy on the eye. Look professional and trustworthy with this one. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the Envato channel for more HubSpot CMS Hub themes. Number 5. Corvina by D-Theme is a business consulting theme. Designed to make your final creation flexible and easily extendable, this theme is pixel perfect. It's fully responsive, working flawlessly on all screen sizes, features templates for home, about, services, and even landing pages, and includes modules for block quotes, contact forms, carousels, image galleries, and more. Perfect for financial professionals, accountants, lawyers, and other types of businesses, the clean layout, contrasting color scheme, and functional set of features will put your best foot forward. And with a strong focus on striking images, locked up nicely with text, it favors clarity over aesthetics. Create easy calls to action with a button in the top right corner and beneath main bits of copy. Give your services and blog articles a home, and even provide testimonials or a client logo carousel. Communicate your value clearly and professionally with this one. Number 4. Promote an important cause with CAUSED by Template Path. Created for nonprofit websites, this theme is perfect for social movements, NGOs, and fundraising organizations. With templates for all the standard pages, plus causes, and modules like How We Help, purpose-built for the sector, create professional, functional homes for important causes. With strong use of images, modules that highlight goals, and clear calls to action inviting visitors to donate, the theme checks all the boxes you need for a nonprofit. And with a clean design and versatile modules, it gives you a lot of control while maintaining a seamless user experience. Make a difference today with this one. Number 3. AppsLabs is a multi-purpose HubSpot CMS Hub theme from Softhopper. Clean, creative, and fully responsive, it's been built to showcase apps, software, and other products and services. With layouts for blog pages, services, and flexible templates for landing pages, it's easy to put your site together. And being fully responsive, watch it render perfectly on any screen size from desktop to mobile. Show your UI off using the purpose-built App Gallery module. Showcase articles using the blog listing, and share which clients you've worked with using the logo gallery. It's a comprehensive theme fit for use across sectors, featuring an incredibly slick but friendly design. Make your app or service stand out with this one. Number 2. Financia by Radiant Themes is a finance and financial consulting HubSpot CMS Hub theme. Best suited for finance, accounting, consulting businesses, and advisors, easily build and customize your site by simply dragging and dropping. With templates for home, about us, services, and FAQs, the basic pages of your site are pre-designed. And custom modules including banners, client selection, and pricing tables add some welcome functionality for businesses in the sector. The page also includes HubSpot system pages, including subscription confirmation, membership logins, and more. Reliability you can count on with this one. Number 1. Provide a home for your blog or magazine with Sugar by BK Ninja. Designed to fit your content needs, Sugar is a HubSpot CMS Hub theme that's clean yet playful. It includes 3 main templates including home, contact, and landing pages. There are backup unsubscribe templates, email backup unsubscribe templates, subscription templates, and more. Using vivid colors, large headings, and strategic white space, it's a bold theme that's sure to capture the reader's eye. Arrange your homepage into common categories like latest news and trends, and customize to suit your brand. The design makes for a stimulating experience with images and headlines jumping off the page. But the reading experience is remarkably comfortable, allowing you to dive into the content uninterrupted, a good quality for a blog theme. Launch the next BuzzFeed with this one. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best HubSpot CMS Hub themes. To access any of the themes showcased today, head to Envato Market. Let us know which item was your favorite in the comments. Subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more content like this, and check out the next video, selected just for you.